Hello, my modernistas. How are you on this fantabulous day? I hope that you're having an awesome day, just as I am. Today, I actually wanted to do a video and hope and pray, and I'm sure it'll help someone out that's trying to start a boutique of their own. Me, myself, I literally had to research everything. When I say everything, I literally had to research everything. So I'm gonna hopefully help someone out and give out 5 wholesale women vendors, clothing vendors for your boutique that you can probably start off with. Most of the vendors want you to buy at least 6 pieces for your boutique. Some 3, but majority of the time it's at least 6 pieces. The first one is Magnolia, and that's MAGNOLIA Wholesale. They're located in Miami, Florida, and that's magnoliawholesale.com. They have some really nice, sexy, cute stuff. The next one is Parisians. Yes, Parisians, which is the clothing store. Parisians actually have a wholesale side where they cater to boutiques and individuals that, buy clothing in bulks. So you have Parisians, Parisians Wholesale. The third one is Sugar Lips, exactly how it's pronounced, sugarlipswholesale.com. That's the third one. The fourth one is Giddy, Giti Wholesale. They have some really nice clothing. I think with Giddy, you have to buy at least 6 pieces. And then also, last but not least, is Glamazon LA. Glam, GLAMAZON, Glamazon, then LA.com. They have some really cute things for wholesale. I think them too as well. You have to do at least 6 pieces. Like I say, I pray that this helps someone out during their boutique journey. Hopefully those 5 vendors you can start off with, grab you a few pieces. I'll definitely be updating with more information, different content and things of that nature that will help someone out there along the way. Yeah, so it's enough for everyone to get a piece of the pie, right? So, yeah, so like I say, I hope that information came in handy, and until next time, have a fantabulous day.